I'm Henry Gilliland, the motion specialist with ES&E. In this video, we're going to unbox Rockwell's Kinetix 5300 Servo Drive. The Kinetix 5300 supports integrated motion over Ethernet IP. This drive has a wide range of power options from 50 watts up to 7.1 kilowatts. By using Studio 5000 Logix Designer and Logix 5000 controllers, this cost-effective motion solution delivers high performance and scalability with Kinetix TLP servo motors that are matched to drive ratings for optimized system sizing. I have a TLP servo motor here as well that pairs with this drive. The first thing to note when you open your box is that it comes with all the required connectors that you will need to get started. I'm going to go ahead and install the connectors. Now I've assembled the drive, and as you can see, you have a spare motor shield clamp and a spare shunt connector for an auxiliary shunt. On the front of the drive you will see the motor cable shield clamp, the motor feedback connector, the digital inputs connector that also has an auxiliary feedback input, dual port Ethernet to allow for device level ring or linear topology, module and network status indicators, a 4-character status display, navigation push buttons, the motor power connector, the motor brake connector, and on the mounting surface, a ground terminal. On the top of the drive, you'll find a shunt resistor connector, the AC main input power connector, the 24-volt control power connector that also supports a shared 24-volt control bus, and a safe torque off connector for hardwired safe torque off. And finally, let's take a quick look at the TLP servo motor. This particular motor is the smallest servo motor available from Rockwell. The TLP servo motors follow the same form factor convention as the old TL and TLY motors, which makes them a great candidate for upgrades. The TLP motors also have unique rectangular cable connectors for power and feedback. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to ES&E TV for updates on all the products and services that we have to offer.